This thing really hits hard. Richard here with you, and today we're going to be checking out a fully mechanical box mod that I have in my hand. It weighs a ton as well. And this is from Vaporijoye. Vaporijoye does a lot of clones, and they've sent me this for the purpose of this review. According to Vaporijoye, this is an authentic, but it looks really very much similar to a Castigador. Alright, so anyway, this is, yeah, one big heavy mod that I have in my hand, but it hits really hard. Liking it. I don't think it's the kind of box mod you want to carry in your pocket. More like if you don't want to just pump out clouds at home. Anyway, let's take a look at the Snowman by Vaporijoye. Yeah, so this is a fully mechanical box mod, which has been really popular lately. All these mechanical box mods like the Cherry Bomber, the Dos Acres, and things like that, and even the Castigador. And speaking of which, as I mentioned, it looks very much similar to the Castigador, like both black and white, same size, same thickness. Both doors at the bottom looks the same, the top looks the same. The only thing, this looks like a Marlboro box with a design like that, and this goes straight like this. And the logo. This is called the Snowman, but somehow, if you ask me, it looks more like a stormtrooper there. Anyway, this is a fully mechanical box mod using dual 18650s in parallel mode. That means the batteries are going to be draining evenly, unlike your what it calls batteries in series mode. You're still getting the same voltage of a single 18650, which is about 4 volts, but you get double the milliamp hours because you've got two batteries there. So we're looking at 4,800 to 5,000 milliamp hours. Okay, this is made from brass, silver, plated, what they call copper contacts, and also copper right on the top on the positive contacts. And it fires down to 0.08 ohms, though I've not tried it. I'm rocking on a 0.3 ohm dual coil build here. And like I say, it hits pretty hard. Anyway, let's jump in for close-ups and we'll see what the Snowman is all about. The boxing for the Snowman by Vaporijoye, and right on top you can see it says Snowman, and you have the picture of a stormtrooper. Nothing that resembles a snowman, but it's still called a Snowman. That's about it, and this is from China. Open up the box and you have a card in there of the Stormtrooper again, and it says, "Thank you for purchasing our Snowman box mod. Happy vaping. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vaporijoye. Visit our website www.ijoy.cn, and you have a little QR code here to take you through the website. That's the card here, and right after that you have the box mod in here, which is quite a heavy box mod. Let's do a weight check and see how much it weighs actually. Let's put the box mod on top, and it weighs 230.3 grams. That's really, really heavy, and like I said, this one looks very similar to the Castigador that I have here, except this is like that. That looks like a cigarette packet. The logo is different, and this square. Other than that, this looks also identical. It's got the Snowman printed there, and the bottom base, the battery flaps. That's the one from Castigador. This is solid brass, which I appreciate because it's not fading or anything like that. But if you notice the clone Castigador here, after a couple of weeks of use, it's starting to fade out, you know, and the color is slowly fading different. Okay, the top section, you have these two contact pins here. This is silver plated copper. This is pure copper inside. Yeah, so other than that, it looks the same. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, let's take the weight of the Castigador and see how much it weighs. This weighs 142.8 grams, and this is 230 grams. So that is one weighty, fully mechanical box mod we've got here. And you've got a copper contact in there. There's a little hexagonal what we call nut here on top, and you have got these grooves here as a drip well. The bottom is the battery cover. All you got to do is just push and it opens up. You've got your silver plated contacts here for your negatives, and inside you can see your copper contacts right there, which is a copper plate actually, so that makes it a parallel mode box mod. Both your batteries drain evenly. You've got two Phillips screws here. I suppose if you remove it, you can remove the entire mod. And you have your firing button here, which sits flush, which is kind of nice actually, and pretty responsive as well. Yeah, it pushes a plate in there and touches the contact and fires your dripper. Okay, so to fit in your batteries, this one you got to push this a bit. Likewise, when you are removing your battery, it's going to get stuck here, so what you got to do is just use your thumb, press this in and let it drop out, and then take it out. Alright, so you have your positive going first, your negative is at the bottom. Positive going, two batteries. I've got VTC4s. Use high drain batteries please, and 20 amps or 25 amps and above. Push it down and then just click it. Alright, so that's your brass battery cover there. Well, that's about it. I think this is made from metal. It's very, very hard, and this is some kind of a Delrin or hard plastic. Yeah. Basically very, very simple, and this is the Snowman. We'll get back topside, we're gonna vape on it and tell you where you can get it and how much it cost. Well, there you have the Snowman fully mechanical box mod here. Like I said, it's a stormtrooper out there. It's kind of cute with the design there, but it is one heavy weight. I tell you. 230 grams solid. That's twice the weight of the clone version of the Castigador. Well, built quite solid, you know, and the bottom battery flap here, at least it's fully bronze, whereas the other one, the other clone that I have, is just what I call bronze plated, and after a couple of weeks of use it starts to fade off. This is solid, and then it's got pure copper contacts on the top, silver plated copper at the bottom where you have your negative. So great stuff. You got twice the milliamp hours, and it hits really, really hard. Like I said, you can even go down to 0.08 ohms. That's really super sub ohm. Guys, this is definitely not a device for newbies. If you're new into vaping, please don't. This is for advanced vapors, and make sure you use high drain batteries, 25 amp batteries and above. Alright, so this is really, it's nice, but it's heavy. It's not something you want to carry in your pocket for sure. This is from Vaporijoye. I think you can also get it from ONO Vapor Trends in Kuching, Sarawak. So Malaysian friends out there, if you're looking for the Snowman, ONO Vapor Trends carries it. I will leave links in the description box. I'm going to search around and see how much and where you can get it. You can find that all in the description box. Alright, so that's the Snowman for me. Good hard-hitting mechanical box mod. Let's take a vape before we call it a wrap. Until I talk to you again, vape safe guys. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye for now.